Hey y'all, welcome to Readings at Woollyshire Farm. Today we're going to be reading The Three Bears Halloween by Kathy Duval and illustrated by Paul Meisel. And we got Honky, Tonky, Barracuda. Don't get me. Don't get me. We got some ducks, we got some chickens, we got them back here on the picnic table, having a good old time. Alright, let's get started. We got a little Halloween mix for us. That's right, Wensleydale, you're excited. It was Halloween. Papa Bear put on funny ears, Mama Bear put on funny hair, Baby Bear put on a mask with the big sharp teeth, and boo! He shouted. There they all are. Papa, Mama, Baby Bear, right? We got them all on there. Yeah? Yeah? Nope, Barracuda's like, Mama and Papa Bear jumped. You look scary. Baby Bear picked up a bag. Let's go. The bears went trick-or-treating. That's right. Boo! Baby Bear yelled down a hole, and a squirrel gave him nuts. Boo, boo, he shouted into a bush, and some bees gave him honey. Boo, 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 he called up a tree. A family of birds dropped berries down in his bag. Look at that. Look at those birds dropping berries down. Yeah. Oh, you don't want me touching it? All right. Look, I'm so scary. My trick-or-treat bag is almost full, said Baby Bear. The bear saw a house covered with spider webs. Baby Bear shivered. Someone has a very scary house. And Mama Bear clucked her tongue. Someone is very messy. Oh, it looks like a pretty rad, spooky house to me. Even got a scary cat on the porch. Yeah, that's true. Baby Bear knocked on the door. Trick or treat. Creak. The door swung open. No one was there. Someone must have forgotten to shut the door, said Papa. Tee-hee-hee. Someone's laughing, said Papa. Someone's in the bushes, said Mama. Someone's wearing a tall, scary hat, said Baby Bear. Look at that. Someone's out there hiding in the bushes. There they are. Are you scared? Are you scared? Get on over here. Come on. You're going to fight the love. The bears hurried inside the house, and Papa shut the door. I smell something, said Mama. Something yummy, said Papa. Scary popcorn spider, said Baby Bear. Mama nibbled a licorice leg. Papa nibbled 2 legs. And Baby Bear ate a whole popcorn spider. Dang. Tee-hee-hee. Someone's outside, said Papa. Someone's peeking in the window, said Mama. Someone with a scary broom, said Baby Bear. The bears ran into the living room, and Baby Bear tripped over a chair and broke it to bits. The bears jumped behind the couch. Ooh. Creak! Someone's opening the door, said Papa. Someone's in the kitchen, said Mama. Someone with a big, scary nose, said Baby Bear. Oh, look at that shadow. Look at that scary shadow on the wall. Hey, don't be bullies. You hiding behind me? The bears ran upstairs, dived into bed, and pulled the covers over their heads. Tee-hee-hee. Someone's creeping up the stairs, whispered Papa. Tee-hee-hee. Someone's tiptoeing in the bedrooms, whispered Mama. Tee-hee-hee. Baby Bear peeked over the covers. Someone is a big, bad witch, he yelled. Run! Yeah. Come on over here. Oh, you're playing hard to get, huh? Papa, Mama, and Baby Bear leapt out of bed. They ran down the stairs, crossed the living room, through the kitchen, and out the doors. Happy Halloween, 3 bears. Looks like Goldilocks got them. The end. Well, hell, it's the day before Halloween here, and we're enjoying a little bit of a dinner here on the picnic table. No chickens will let me touch them, but I always try. No one ever lets me, but I always try. Well, thank you for joining us for this read. Hope you're having fun. Bye, y'all.